Hi, I'm Connie. My diagnosis when I came in was hypothyroid, neuropathy in my hands and feet. My thyroid has gotten better, and so my doctor decreased my medication from 60 to 30. Yes, I'm so happy about that. Yeah, I don't think they usually do that. They're not used to that.
Never. Only
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. I mean, I was having, more hot flashes and more sweating and night sweat. So that's gotten better since she decreased the dosage. I mean, it's just taken so much stress off me, and I'm just so thankful.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I love it. See, I mean, you can tell, right, just by watching, it is normal in our world that thyroids get better, but in the
Right.
Western medical world, it doesn't. So,
Right.
So it's pretty cool, isn't it?
It's made my life so much better. So I just thank you both. It's great.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
I love it.